Understanding dilapidations, a guide for landlords and tenants. Dilapidations can lead to disputes between landlords and tenants, potentially ending in court. Understanding your responsibilities can save time, stress, and money. As a landlord, maintaining your property according to lease obligations protects your investment. Regular inspections and serving notices for necessary repairs can prevent serious defects. If you're concerned about your property's management, consider serving an interim schedule of dilapidations or a repairs notice. Tenants. When signing a new lease, it's crucial to understand potential liabilities. A photographic schedule of condition produced by a chartered building surveyor records the property's condition at the start of the agreement. This can limit your liability and save you money at the lease's end. If you plan to terminate your lease early using a break clause, ensure the property has been maintained according to your lease obligations. Failure to do so could prevent lease termination, leading to continued rent payments and potential business operation until the lease end date. Whether you're a landlord or tenant, understanding dilapidations can help avoid costly disputes. For professional assistance, consider reaching out to experienced surveyors,